lot of health benefits. If you buy fresh corn, please do well not to trash it, okay? Because the health benefits of this alone outweighs the health benefits of this. If you are a first-time mom, diabetic patient, you have arthritis, if you have bloated stomach, indigestion, this corn husk or corn silk can help you cure or manage all of this. So watch this video to the end. Make sure to subscribe, comment, like and share, and follow this page if you have not done so. Okay, let's proceed.